Hey everyone, good morning. It's me Gloria. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a day in my life / productive vlog where I'll be doing a lot of things such as making my breakfast, cleaning the house, my room, decluttering my makeup products, cleaning the drawers, doing pottery, painting, going out and a lot of things. This day is going to be very productive. Now let's get started. Today I woke up around 9 a.m. in the morning, then I got freshen up and right now I am making my bed. As soon as I wake up, making my bed is so important for me. It's like it gives me that boost or energy for the day to work more when my bed is looking neat and clean. But if my bed is messy, I know my day will be as well. So I always try to do it as soon as I wake up. Today I'm not feeling that hungry, so I'm just having 3 small bread with some Nutella and some dry fruits. Also I am planning to skip my morning tea today. I am taking the morning very slowly cause today I have a lot of things to do and I need to plan that. So right now I am just going to have my breakfast while scrolling on Pinterest and then I'll plan rest of my day. The sky is looking so pretty today and the weather is also nice, and I have been procrastinating about cleaning my room, decluttering my products for a really long time, so today we will be doing that. But before that, let's play some Sabrina Carpenter music to bring the energy. Cleaning my room and the living area is done. Now it is time to clean all the big mirrors that I have in my room and then we will begin with the decluttering. Here I have a lot of products that I have received in PR or products that I don't use too often or only use when I'm shooting at home, and a lot of random things, and my daily use ka makeup skincare products, I have all of them at my sister's place. So now we are just going to clean and organize all of them and discard few things. My hair is feeling and looking very greasy and oily, so today is hair wash day. Also I have a plan of going out at the evening, so I have to wash it. But before that I'm just oiling my hair with coconut oil. I try to do this at least 2 times a week cause my hair is colored. I leave it for 30 to 40 minutes and now I am going on with my shampoo, and for that I am using the Dove Barrier Repair shampoo, but I am only going to shampoo my hair today. I'm not gonna apply any conditioner or hair mask because I feel like my scalp is feeling little oily already, so whenever I feel something like that I do skip the hair mask or conditioner. I'm pretty much done with my shampoo and I'm planning to shave my arms today cause I haven't done that in a while. As result, a lot of hair is going on. Also we are going out today, so we have to do this. For that I'm using NEUD's anti-tanning hair removal cream. I do not prefer waxing at all. I do use razors sometimes but it irritates my skin a lot, which is why I chose hair removal cream this time. Also it contains arbutin, kojic acid, papaya extract, which means it will help to reduce hyperpigmentation, dark spots and skin brightening. The best part is this product is unisex, means men and women both can use it. It comes with this tool you can apply and spread the cream with it. Also you can easily remove the cream with the help of this tool. Now let's apply the cream and see how it works. It says that we just have to apply it and wait for like 5 minutes and it will do its magic. I am evenly applying and spreading the cream on both of my hands and leg. I want to see if it will work on my leg because I have a lot of hair going on my leg, and obviously our legs hair is thicker than our hands hair. Also, it claims that we don't have to grow our hair fully. It can remove the tiniest, smallest hair we have. Also, I can tell you this product does not have any harsh smell. It is not irritating my skin or burning it. It is so easy to use and convenient. You just have to remove the cream using the tool in the opposite direction of your hair growth, and I can see the hair is coming out already from my hand. Now let's see if it will work on my legs. Guys, can you see it is working like magic? It's not even 5 minutes. I'll attach a before and after clip so you can see all the hair from my hands and legs are gone. It worked like magic and now my skin is feeling smooth like butter. I just applied a body lotion on my hand and you can see how smooth it is looking. I highly recommend getting this product over anything else. Also, this comes in a pack of 2 and you can easily get it on Flipkart or Amazon. I'll leave the link in description. Do check it out. I am done with my body care. Now it is time to do some skincare. I already have done a video on my morning plus after shower skincare routine. Thank you so much for loving that video so much, and if you haven't watched that yet, I'll link it in the I button. I recently bought this Multit air dry clay. This is like my new hobby. I am literally obsessed with ceramic things. I keep on buying them but they are so expensive, so this time I thought I'll make my Pinteresty cup and bowls by myself using these air dry clays. It is actually so fun to make things with clay. You get 2 types of clay in the Multit, like one is hardener and one is the actual clay. You have to mix both of them really well and then do the pottery. This is a very cute cup that I made yesterday. It is already dried. Now we just have to paint it and lock it all with a varnish. I am telling you guys, it is so therapeutic, like painting, doing the pottery. I'll highly recommend buying the clay and make your own Pinteresty things. Now I am going to open few of my Amazon purchase. These are not peer packages, you guys. I have bought them all with my own money and I am broke right now, but these are some products that I am really obsessed with, and you are going to see me using them in my upcoming videos. It's currently 4:30 PM right now. I'm just going to have my mandatory evening cup of tea. After that, I'll be getting ready. We have a plan of going to a club or pub sort of place. For that, I'll be doing my makeup first, then I will decide my outfit. I'm going for a very minimal, glowy, no makeup look, and for that I'm using Rare Beauty foundation first. After that I'm gonna be using a half dry mascara for my eyebrows, and I love this tint lip gloss. I use it as my blush and it looks so pretty and so glowy. Next I'm using Gush Beauty Glow Glitter. It's like a strobe cream that makes you look like you are glowing from within. I love this product. Also, do comment down if you wanna know how I do my daily no makeup look. After that I'm using this Nykaa mini lipstick as my lip liner. And now I am using this Cherry Coke lip tint from our Instagram page, and we are pretty much done with our makeup. For outfit, I was thinking of wearing this mini red dress that I just received today from New Me as PR, but I feel like the color is not giving. It's like poking on my eyes. It is too bright red, so I decided to wear something else. Also, our plan of going to a club got cancelled. It's like a thing whenever you make plans with your friends, it is going to get cancelled. And as I was all ready already, so we went to Park Street to have some burger from Burger Singh and just chill. This has become like my new go-to place whenever I feel hungry. Also because it is budget friendly and very affordable. I do not used to like burger, but now I have started liking burger from Burger Singh and Burger King. After having our meal, we went to West Side to do some window shopping cause there was this sale going on. Also, I did purchase something that I'll show you later. And this is how I have ended my day. Do let me know guys if you like this kind of video or you want to see more skincare sort of videos. I'll be happy to make them and see you next time. Bye.